Hi guys, welcome back to English in Easy Mode. As always, I'll be speaking slowly and comprehensibly while I play this video game so that you can continue to practice your English listening skills. And today we're going to play the second day of Airport Contraband Demo, the second day working in the airport. And I guess our boss, Jose, has a message for me on the radio. Okay, so Jose, our boss, says that the cartel, which is like a gang, the local cartel, sometimes wants me to do favors for them. And let's see what the note says. Hello, friend. We're looking forward to our new partnership. Starting today, we'll be giving you various tasks to complete. Be sure not to disappoint us. Not like you have a choice. Ciao. Okay, so the cartel is going to give us some different tasks or jobs to do, and I guess we have to do them so they don't get mad at us. And the first job they want me to do is confiscate, which is to take. I have to confiscate 4 toys from the passengers. And normally I do not take toys from the passengers because the toys are not illegal. But today, the cartel has basically forced me to do it, so I don't really have a choice. So let's start our day. We will remove the tape and wait for the first passengers to arrive. The first passengers will be departing, so these are the passengers who are leaving. And let's see what they have. Okay. Ooh, a toy. This guy has a rubber chicken, which is a toy, so I will have to confiscate it. I'm sorry, sir. Please forgive me. It was not my choice. He also has a plaster pack, which I guess are band-aids, and a mushroom. Okay. So now we will move to the scan to make sure he doesn't have anything illegal in his pockets. All right. Oh, what do you have? It's just a bottle of mineral water. That's fine. Anything else? He has something in his pants. Nail polish. Okay, no problem. Looks like he has something over here too. A donut. All right. It's a little bit strange to have a donut in your shirt, but I will not judge. Okay. Now we can check his suitcase. And if everything looks good, he can go on his way. Let's see what he has in his suitcase. All right. Glasses. That's fine. A trophy. That's fine. And a map. Good idea in case he gets lost. That's fine. Have a nice day. All right. And what do you have? A bandage. That's fine. And a pencil. That's fine. But we are going to have to do a scan to make sure you're not trying to bring anything illegal inside of your clothes. So we will do a scan. Just hold still. Oh, he has something in his pants. It's just a cassette tape. That's fine. Let's check in back. He has something in his pants. A scissors. Sir, you cannot bring a scissors. This is a sharp and dangerous object, and it is restricted, so I am confiscating your scissors. The banana is fine. All right. Now we can check his suitcase. We definitely have to watch out for this guy because he already tried to bring some scissors. Let's see what's in his suitcase. All right, slippers, that's fine. A plate? That's fine. And a candy bar. That's fine. All right, sir, you can go, but please be more careful next time about the scissors. So we're done with all the departures. We're done with the passengers who were leaving. So now we have to go check the passengers who are arriving. These are the passengers who are landing. They just got here. Okay, it looks like we have 3 passengers who just landed on this flight. Let's see what they have. I still need 3 more toys. Oh, here's one. A voodoo doll. This is a toy. Sorry, sir. The cartel has put me in a tricky situation, and I have no choice. Now just come over here, and I will turn on this light and do a quick body scan. All right. Oh, what do you have? He has a sandwich in his pants. A little odd, but no problem. He also has nail polish. That's fine. And what's in his pocket? A cucumber. I don't know what it is with all of these passengers bringing food in their pockets, like sandwiches and cucumbers. Oh well, let's check his suitcase. Now, sir, if you'll just follow the pathway and then put your suitcase on the tray, and I will make sure everything looks good. I still need 2 more toys. Okay, bread, that's fine. Melon, that's a fruit, so that's fine. And wine, is that allowed? Yes, the wine is legal. So you can keep your wine and have a great day. Okay, now this woman has a banana and burn gel. Those are both fine. So now we can move on to the scan. As usual, I will turn on my light to help me scan better. And oh, what do you have in your sleeve? Some gum, that's fine. She has something in her shirt. Perfume, that's fine. What else? Something in her pocket? Another toy. She had a rubber chicken in her pocket. I'm so sorry, ma'am. I'm taking your toy. It's nothing personal. I really have no choice. I don't want the cartel to burn my house down. All right, now we can check her suitcase. I still need 1 more toy to make sure the cartel stays happy with me. Let's see what she has in her luggage. Okay, she has chips, no problem. Necklace, no problem. A lager, which is a beer, that's fine. And a baseball. This is also a toy. I'm so sorry, ma'am. So sorry. Please, please forgive me. And have a great day. Enjoy your trip. Okay, the good news is we have all 4 toys that we need, so I don't have to confiscate any more. Energy drink and a carrot. All right, that's fine. Now let's just check to make sure he has nothing illegal in his clothing. Keep your arms up and I will do my scan. He has a tobacco pipe. That's fine. He has something in his pants. Binoculars. That's fine. All right, now we will check in the back. What's this? Why does he need 2 binoculars? Maybe in case he loses one. Maybe he just loves binoculars. Okay. Let's just check his bag. I wonder if he has more binoculars in his bag. That would be a little bit strange. All right, sir, just put your bag right here, and we can do a quick check, and then you can enjoy your trip. All right, he has a plate, no problem. He has a toy, but good news, sir. I already have 4 toys, so you can keep that one. And band-aids, that's fine. And a bongo. I don't know about this. No, this is restricted. This is related to drugs, so he can't bring this, and I will confiscate it. Please be more careful next time, sir. We do not allow drug devices in the airport. Okay, so we are done with the passengers. The only thing I have to do is deliver the 4 toys to the cartel. And hopefully they are satisfied and they are happy and they don't threaten me anymore. I guess the cartel member that I have to meet is waiting at the bus station, at the bus stop. All right. I have to deliver the items to him. Okay, so he gets the baseball. That's the first toy. Then he gets a rubber chicken. That's the second toy. Another rubber chicken. That's the third toy. And a voodoo doll. That's the fourth toy. Okay, we completed our task for the cartel. And I think that means we are done for the day. So I am going to return to my house and take a nap. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys learned something new. Let me know in the comments if you want me to play more of this game. I think I mentioned before, this is the demo, so it's not the full version. It only has 2 days in the game time. It only has 2 days for me to play. But I think next month there's going to be a longer version, a bigger version that gets released. So if you want me to play that one too, just let me know in the comments and I can download that one and play it for you as well. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.